How to refinance a loan with Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking to lower your interest rate? Well, here is how to refinance a loan with Discover Bank on desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the top menu, you simply have to click loans and then select the type of loan you want to refinance. And there you can just click refinance now and enter details about your current loan and financial information. And with that, you need to review the new interest rate, monthly payment, and loan terms offered by Discover and submit the refinance application along with any required documents for verification. And once submitted, Discover will review your request and notify you of approval and next steps. And that's it. That's how you can refinance a loan with Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.